my dad was diagnosed with GE junction adenocarcinoma. I was just amazed at how well Georgetown could take care of him. Even though we tried hard, we couldn't save him. After my dad died, my mom said to me, she goes, she said to me the classic words, she goes, I don't know how I can ever thank Georgetown enough. The role that my family's gift to Georgetown is going to play is knowing that my dad lives on and that he didn't die that day. He's always here. You know, my dad was 58 when he died, and when you die so young, it doesn't make sense, and you have absolutely no control over the situation. So, make a philanthropic gift, give somebody control back. It lets me make a decision. You know, I have two choices. I can either sit there and say, oh, well, this really stinks. Or I can say, no, I want the power back. This is my power.